Hello everyone! Merry Christmas to all! Kamusta yung Pasko natin? Sana lahat ngayon ay masaya and feel the spirit of Christmas this season. Today, let's continue watching the part 2 of Hori7's video or segment together with Jinho Bae. Last time, di ka muna tayo. Matagal na kasi yun eh. So, ngayon busy lang talaga ako. So, naalala ko ay nakakatuwa yung segment na yun kasi ano yun eh, parang who's who, parang ganun yung segment na yun kung magbibigay ng isang scenario si Jinho Bae, then sino ang mas, ganun eh. Saka yung mga family profile din, nalaman natin doon last time, yung mga, ilan ba silang mga siblings, and yun yung mga sino daw nakakatakot, or pinili nila si Kyler at saka si Winston. Yun yung pag-alala ko. So, ayun, patuloy natin kasi excited akong panood kung ano yung next na to about ba sa ano. So, title nito Horizon Audition Videos Part 2. So, tingnan natin.
Alright, let's go! For our next segment, I asked you guys to bring any item that has a good story to you, memorable,
Grabe,
you know,
ang daming
kaya
mga
something
twist
you
o
cannot leave
pakulo
the house
sa
without it. Let's start with
episode na to.
Marcus, Mang Nanin.
Si Marcus. Ano yan? Grocery. Yung valuable na item. Pinadala sa kanila.
So, Mang Nanin.
So this is, I don't know what to call this. It's a
Oh,
beaded
beaded
necklace,
necklace.
maybe, with a smiley face. And I was given this during the nasa show, the Dream Maker,
Oh,
and
by who?
by Secret. No name drop. If you're watching this, you know.
Oh.
And
So why was it so
Oo nga.
special?
because when I got it, it brought me happiness. I don't wear it, but as long as I have it inside my bag, it's my lucky charm. Everything will go okay. So I always bring it around. It's always just like in my little pouch in my bag, but I never wear it.
Do you look at it when you're sad?
Yeah,
Like-
I take it out. I take it out. Not like that.
Like this.
Not like that.
Ay, di ba? Oo, tama na. 14 ka pa lang.
Censored.
For that, our golden magne. Now we have Winston.
Rubik's
Sabi
Cube.
ko sa inyo eh, may pagka-weird. Usually yung mga matatalino, sila yung weird talaga.
Oh, so
Mahilig
mahilig siya sa
This
mga
one-
puzzles.
brought happiness and explosion.
Friendship?
Yes po. Lalo na po nung nasa Dream Maker kami. Happiness kasi nung that time po, lahat nung mga things po na kinukuha sa amin, like yung gadgets. So wala na kami. So this one,
So that was your like favorite toy nung time na parang bawal pa yung gadgets, because you know when you guys are a trainee or you guys are still there, they take away all the things that might distract you from your goals. So that's normal, but with this, na-entertain ka doon.
tapos ito po ay galing sa one of the closest
Parang
friend of
babo
mine.
naman ng mga members. Parang
Yeah,
gano'n yung
sobrang
ibig
special
sabihin
din
sa reaction
akin.
niya.
Kasi yun nga, brought...
Ito mismo yun.
Yeah, ito mismo.
Can I see? It's unique, it's pastel tone. Ikaw ba yung parang...
Kasi dati, matagal ko na po itong gustong pag-aralan. Sa Dream Maker ko na po
Oh!
Nabuo niya kaya?
Okay,
O hindi pa?
How about you,
Ah,
Tyler?
hindi pa.
Sa akin naman po, talaga na ako sa kanya.
Oh!
Actually, galing po talaga to sa Korea. Binili ko po to souvenir. Ito yung time na pupunta po kami sa Pilipinas kasi mag-concert po kami. Kaya, ayun, parang bigat ko po.
So parang it holds that memory na parang it's almost like a preparation for the first concert. Okay, how about Racer?
Wala akong mga anak kanina.
Okay, how about this?
Ano yan?
Oh my God!
Tingin.
You know what vibe you're giving me? You're giving me that everyone's wearing Calvin Klein tapos ikaw yung naka Monster Incorporated na brief.
Wallet.
Tapos, wala akong nakita ng memorable. Tapos bigla ko sa nakita sa pag ko na watch ko pa pala.
Oo. You know, sometimes, yung kung anong pinaka-importante sa'yo, yun yung na hindi mo inakala na, you know, na it's just near you, you know. Tapos nyo, simpleng, you know, simpleng tao. How about Kim?
Ito po. Suot-suot ko siya ngayon.
Kwintas.
Galing po to sa mama.
Mama?
Eh, may
Oh.
nakasulat sa likod. Yung story po ito, kasi alam ng mom ko na dati, pumupunta po ako, sa pista po ako dati. And then, ngayon hindi na po ako masyado nakapunta ng church. Alam niya po na minsan mabilis ako malungkot. Alam mo yun, parang...
That's good. Eh, kumbaga, like, your mom doesn't want you to forget, despite your busy schedule, na to be spiritual pa rin. Parang, you know where to ask or gain strength from. Ganun ba? Kasi,
Marami akong
ganun din
tututunan
ako
kay
minsan
Kim.
eh. You know, I'm a Christian. I was born Christian, my parents. And when you're an artist or you're, you know, you belong to this industry, usually, Sunday, Saturday pa yung busy ka.
Oh.
Kesa sa weekdays. So, hindi ako nagtatagpo dun sa mga church schedules ko lagi. And then, at some point, I was like, I felt like I was becoming slowly distant with my spiritual, you know, practices. That's why... Practice! Alam mo, dito nagsimula yan. Go, Jiro.
Ito, yung ring ko simula.
Patingin.
Yung
Ang daming
siya.
edits.
Ano siya, bigay siya sa akin ng
Video
mami
nun.
ko nung baby pa talaga. Ay, yung pinaka...
Ang liit!
Nung baby pa siya dyan.
It's her... It's your goal.
Oh my God, this is so cute.
Oh.
Actually, I have something like this na when I was born, my
Ay,
uncle
ayos
gave
May
to me
sinungaling
nito ni
ka na.
Mama.
Baby pa lang may ano na sa kanyang suot na ring. Then parang remembrance na yun na hanggang paglaki niya.
Nung sobrang baby ko pa talaga. And
Ayos.
memorable siya sa akin kasi kahit ngayon malaki na ako.
Bitbit mo siya lagi?
Actually, hindi. Iniwan ko siya sa bahay.
Oo.
Kasi parang kapag nasa akin,
Baka mawala.
may chance na mawala or kasi actually yung wallet ko minsan naiiwan ko.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's why
Mayaman nga talaga.
Mayaman talaga.
kasi mamaya
Pag
mawawala.
kasi, Jero, pag mahirap ka talagang kahit yung iPhone mo, ganun mo eh. Pag natutulog ka.
Inaaccelerated mo yan.
Baka mamaya walang tempered glass yung cellphone mo. Wala.
Oh, yan yung sign na mayaman talaga.
Basag kasi sa
Kung walang tempered
glass.
glass.
Kaya nga, hindi mo ni-replace.
Meron ko lang. Pinamatubat
Then walang case.
Yeah,
Yan yung napapansin ko talaga. May pambili.
Fully paid. Sa akin, 13 na nga, hindi pa tapos yung installment. Hi. So, we have our leader name. Speaker! Wow!
Mahilig ba siya
Laki
sumayaw?
ng speaker mo. Can I see? Oh, this look pretty old. Na, talagang gamit na gamit siya.
Kasi before pa ako mag-dream maker, mag-survival show, yun siya na talaga yung ginagamit ko for pag naalala ko yan. Masaya. Oh, kahit nung practice namin.
So, how old is that?
It's 3 years, 4 years.
So, you have that in your luggage all the time?
I can't live without speakers. So even
Wow.
when we went to Mexico,
Ako,
Korea,
headset.
You always bring that.
always in the
Kailangan mayroon
bedroom,
talaga akong headset na
CR,
dala.
makeup shield, it's gonna be there.
Oh my God. So, who's the vocal line here? Yes. And
Oh my God, is there singing involved?
challenge. I hope you guys
Si
can
Marcos,
participate.
si
Alright, so
Tyler,
that
tsaka
has
si
been the
Vinci.
Bring
Sino
Me.
pa yun?
Now,
Winston
I have
ba
a
yun?
surprise content for you guys. Let's watch back on this.
Let's watch yung ano na.
I'm not excited.
Why me?
Oh!
Why am I so
Yung audition nila.
No, let's not.
Marcos.
Hindi talaga
Oh.
natin What do you mean, bro?
Close up.
Kita mo naman energetic dito. Pero
Wow.
ka din, oh.
Pero ang galing.
Galing mag-freestyle.
I don't know.
Si Marcos. Naka-violet din siya dyan ah.
Bago mag-puberty.
God!
Oh, Vinci. Wow.
In my God.
Patawa na lang yung judge.
Look at
Kim. Sa Kim. Oh. Kailangan talaga no, sing and dance. Pag nag-audition. Tyler. Oh.
yung sinabi ng
Iba yung vibe ni Tyler. Oh.
That is so fun. Oh, Racer.
Racer.
He did really good though. He did really good.
Oh.
Razor is such a good dancer.
Yeah.
So good.
If you can,
Parang ano
put your
talaga,
nose in the
no?
air
May
one
swag na
time,
talaga
no?
dyan
Di ba
siya.
to? Oo, swag.
Bawas talaga.
Yung last time,
Yung ano niya, stage presence niya. Winston. Bakit?
So tayo ko. 9 years.
ang ganda na boses niya.
Okay. Jeremy yan. Siya yung main dancer. Oo, iba ba talaga yung book niya dyan?
Parang sa kanya ako bumili ng ice candy kaninang umaga. Ay,
Seryoso si Jerome. Ginujoke siya, pero parang seryoso talaga siya.
In your opinion?
Para sa akin, yung kay Jiro talaga yung natatandaan ko sa lahat.
Si Vinci parang kanina parang kami naiiyak na. Mag-puber.
Oh my God!
Mas maganda yung kay Waze. Ako favorite ko yung kay Kyler talaga. So,
Yeah!
gusto ko yun. Tapos you guys realize how much you've improved.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kaya sometimes, don't be too hard on yourselves, okay? Now,
Meron pa?
wala na. Okay, now,
Tingin.
syempre, you know, we have to appreciate the anchors, do we not? So now we'll be reading some questions from our anchors that has been submitted
Straight from
on
the
my
fans na
Instagram.
questions.
All right, who wants to go first? Each member will.
Okay.
Oh, you. Read the name.
Hello to Christy Espanto. Hello. What is the OPM song that describes your mood right now? I mean, what is my mood right now?
Nasa yun.
No. I'm really into what's his name again? MRLD. That guy. I don't know how to say his name, but he has this song called Ligaya, and I love it.
Oh.
Ligaya.
I really I like his
Sample?
voice.
Sample?
How does it go?
Ako'y liligaya.
Hindi ko rin alam ang kanta.
Di ba, iba ba? Race.
Oh, for race talk.
Wait.
Please look at the camera. Give them a shout out. Basahin mo muna yung IGN.
That is Keys. IG.
Underscore RG.
Underscore Jinho Bae as we see the show of his other stars. I playing the piano by Jinho Bae sing a banner.
Oh, kanta ka daw ng bala. Anong bala?
Wow.
Ano ba?
Ay, di ba? Oo, tama. Ano siya? Choir, di ba siya sa simbahan? Tama yung pagkaalala.
Wait lang.
Can you feel the love tonight?
Gusto ko yung kanta na yan.
Iniisip niyo talaga.
Ano yung lagi
Mga
mong
classic
kinakanta?
songs.
Ano, Aladdin? I shall show you the
Yan na lang ba? Oh, sige, sige.
And siya.
Okay.
Oh, excited ako. Grabe, ah.
Show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new
Ganda ng
fantastic
boses niya. Grabe, no?
no one
Pagin siya sa mga bala.
to say.
Pero rap talaga kasi yung position niya sa team, sa group.
Ang pogi naman ang boses ni Racer! Bakso! Bakso! You should try the Korean
Maraming
version of that
tinatagong
too.
charm si Mr. May ano yung Korean version?
Di ba? Boses Aladdin, mukhang genie. Ganun mo lang, 3 ways yun. Okay, next we will ask Kyla.
Hello. Shoutout sa'yo _TRR Sanika. Okay, if ever hindi sila Horizon Global Pop Group ngayon, ano kaya balak nila sa life nila if ever hindi sila nanalo nung Dream Maker? We love y'all, our best boys. Always proud of ya, and we miss you all.
Wow. What do you think?
Tingin si Marcos
Pagpapatuloy ko
mag-aaral.
po yung pag-aaral ko
Oh,
kasi
tama.
ang pangarap po sa akin din ng tatay ko na makapagtapos po ako ng pag-aaral, then makapagpatayo po ako ng sariling bahay, ganon.
If ever you were to go back to college, what course would you take?
Culinary. Yeah, HRM. Kasi
Grabe, husband material, oh.
Baba.
Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Yes, I will. I love it. All right.
ayun nga po, tsaka
Imagine niyo yung
sabi din
chef
po kasi
niyo,
sa akin
si
ng magulang
Tyler.
ko sa akin, if nakapagtapos po ako, naging successful po ako sa life, tutulungan ko daw po yung kapatid ko din na ako, parang ako daw po yung magpapaaral sa
Oh,
kapatid.
yeah, that's a very Filipino thing, you know.
Yeah.
Helping family. Committed ba eh? Kuya, mamamatay.
Ching! Iba, grabe talaga yung ano, yung Filipino culture.
Reyes,
Family talaga yung
underscore.
pinaka-center.
If
no?
you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? Para sa akin, Bicol Express!
Ayun, ano kaya sa akin?
Bicol Express!
Hindi ako makapili. For lifetime.
Yan talaga yung hindi mo magagawa sa ibang bansa eh. Next. Can you give it to Kim?
Camera is there.
Hello, 30 pair.
Yeah?
Who is their biggest influence in music?
Like, sila yung nag-influence sa'yo.
Who inspires you? Who's your role model?
Yung mga pinapakinggan mo.
Um,
Tapos you feel like, ay gusto ko yung ganito yung style ko in the future.
Ano ba?
Sino nagsabi
BTS,
niya?
yung binib.
Oh!
BTS,
Who
sino
yung
member?
BTS Nowadays. Kasi lahat sila may solo ano na eh, di ba?
Oo. Sino?
Para sa akin
Jungkook?
po, Suga.
oh yeah.
Ah, Sugar.
Sugar!
Gusto niya mag-rap?
Minsan mahirap po pumili ng bias.
Producer,
I
composer.
mean, we're not talking about bias here. Kasi look at BTS. They're one when they're 7. But umamin sila na each of them have different taste. Di ba? Different taste, different genre. So you,
Tama.
Suga.
Different talaga. Yung
lahat
mga
silang
releases
talent
nila na
Oh,
songs.
No, but like
Iba talaga yung style.
Music-wise, yeah.
Yoongi releases August D.
Yeah, yeah.
Very rap,
Yeah.
rap and hip hop.
Tsaka si V naman,
Jazz.
very blue and then jazz, tahimik, di ba?
Yes.
Jungkook is like,
R&B.
okay.
R&B, pop.
Napakinggan mo yung bago niya? Sabi ko, ala, na ako yung nagpo-blushing sa kanya. Di ba? Nung una, 7 days a week. Ngayon, 3D. I want to see it in my eyes. So I can imagine Kim doing... Kasi si August D, ang lakas niya magano eh. If you listen to his lyrics, grabe, super real.
Oh, parang ano talaga yung mga lyrics and message ng mga songs. Kasi,
We are bulletproof.
Yan din nasa isip.
yung
Smooth like a bottle.
iba yun. You're bulletproof. Yung
Okay,
ano
okay.
ba?
Now we
Yung,
have more.
yung
Vinci
mga,
M.
ano nila,
Hello,
naunang
Patrick
nilang mga
Joshua
songs.
Montez.
Gusto
Wow.
ni, ano.
Question to Vinci, throughout the
Kim.
whole Dream Maker season, never ka naming nakitang umiyak. Is there a
Hindi,
moment na
kung
umiyak
nakita
ka
ko siya
behind
umiyak.
the camera and what is the reason? Sadly, I really didn't.
I've
You
not
really did it,
seen...
really?
Wala, hindi po talaga umiyak.
Really?
I really didn't cry during the
akala ko
whole Dream
umiyak siya
Maker.
sa
Not even
ano,
juicy. Baka may
may
kailangan
final
ka
announcement na
kikiligin.
pasok
Oh no!
siya sa
The last time I did cry, especially in front of the members, was the last fan meet. But it was very brief. It
fan
wasn't
meet
like
pala
too
yun.
intense. But I didn't cry during the whole Dream Maker season because I don't know, everything felt like I just had to do it.
You're like the Jisoo of Blackpink, no?
Oh yeah.
She's very popular na
She doesn't
cry. But she
Ah.
feels the emotions, but
Yeah.
she's like, you know,
True. She just stays head in the game. Yun lang siguro. Kasi mindset ko din nun, parang whatever happens, I'm just
parang
doing my best. And no
Mindset ba?
regrets.
Kung ano mang mangyari, ready na siya. Kaya hindi siya
Mindset ba? Mindset.
nanibago
We have
pag
last question
may something
for
na hindi naayon sa gusto niya. Kaya hindi siya napapaiyak.
Nagulat
Kasi
talaga ako.
accepted na niya yun.
Nag-comment
Ready
bigla
na
yung
siya.
thesis professor ko nung college. Seryoso? Oo, anchor daw siya. Yung ano, bibiro lang.
Anchor din.
Tapos ito yung professor na yun mas... Yung nakakatakot talaga. Yung, Sir Quinto Sir Quinto, ito, ha? Wow. Kahit grabe ka sa akin nung
Professor ko.
Oh, di know.
Okay.
His name is Sir Quinto FTW. Wow.
Shoutout po kay Sir Kento FTW.
Oh, special shout out. Hi, Sir Quinto.
Oh.
Hello. Salamat po pinasal niyo si Jill.
Hindi ka sure.
Okay, here's a question. Hi, Gino. Question to the Macnays, Jiro, and Marcus. How does it feel to be young and having to go through the change of becoming an idol and in a foreign land at that? Has the transition been tough? Thank you. Ha.
Di ba, sobrang question pa lang na transition from di ba? So,
Osag mo. Yeah.
sagutin mo.
I mean, I don't cry often, but there are days where like my emotions just explode without me even knowing that I did bottle up emotions, and I think it's just
Parang ang
That's just
mature
how it
naman
is.
sumagot
And I
ni
think
Marcos.
that's totally normal. When do you miss your parents the most? Kasi me, I moved to Manila. I'm originally from Subic, Olongapo.
Oh, longgo pa
And then,
siya.
Where are you from?
I'm from that area. I'm from Bataan.
Bataan ka mo!
That's so near.
Sabi sa'yo, mga arte, mga taga. I claim it. Bataan ka! Morong area?
Right.
Oh my God, Bataan lang pala to.
Balanga.
Balanga!
Oh.
That's where I used to go every week para mag-ano kami ng charity kami for the churches there. And then there were some time na parang, okay ako eh. Parang, okay, kaya ko to. I wanna make my mom proud, ganon. Pero may mga instances na biglang like bagsak yung emotion ko, and that's when I feel sick. Kahit unting lagnat
Oo
lang.
nga.
Yung parang walang
Tama.
nag-ask
Pag-
sa akin na,
Ganun talaga
what you
pag sa
wanna
malayo
do,
kang lugar
ano
din.
yung pampaano
Pag
mo.
may
That's when my emotions,
nagkasakit ka,
erupt
yun
finally.
parang
So,
biglang
ikaw, ano yung mga
bumabalik
specific?
or
Ako talaga
na
pagka
memo-
may free time.
na-remember mo
kasi
yung
syempre, we're like busy
mga bagay
training.
or
Pero
memories at mga
actually,
tao na
nung time
namimiss mo,
I had
na
a
gusto mo
problem
sanang
with my
nandyan
ankle
sila.
and then I had to stay at home. I was by myself. That's the time where I just have time to just think about everything, and then I realized that wow, I really like miss my family.
Sometimes, I forget talaga na Marcos is just 14.
Yeah.
Di
And
ba?
it's
14
crazy
pa lang
when I
siya.
think about what I was doing when I was 14.
Anong ginagawa ko noon?
I was stealing eraser from
Ano na ako yun? Second year high school.
So, ikaw, Jiro,
14.
when do you miss your family the most?
Tuwing
Wala,
uuwi
naglalaro
kami
pa din
ng
ako.
bahay dito po sa Pilipinas, laging sasalubong sa akin yung kapatid ko. Siya po talaga yung pinakauna kong pupuntahan. Dahil na po kapag may mga galing lang sa labas, gumala, kapatid ko po talaga yung pinupuntahan ko agad. Tapos lagi po akong nagkikis sa kanila mami kahit malaki na ako. Pati po, actually sa lahat, lagi po talaga ako nagkikis.
Nagulat ako.
Siyang cute eh. Pag ako, tulpo agad eh.
Tama.
If I start kissing people,
Nagulat ako.
Hindi kasi talaga.
enjoy mo yan habang 14 ka.
Oh,
18 ka
bawal
na
eh.
Hindi kasi ganun po talaga ako. Sobrang clingy ko sa mga
Pili pala
tao.
siya.
Minsan, goosebumps na lang ako bigla. Na parang, oh my God, 14 pa lang sila. And I know you guys hear this over and over again. But when you look back, you just give it 5 more years. You look back and you're gonna see like, oh my God, ang dami ko na na-achieve compared dun sa mga kaibigan ko. Ang dami ko pala. Parang sila papasok pa lang sa industry na, nagagalit na sa kanya yung mga bossing nila. Na kumikita na sila. Yung parang pasimula pa lang. And for you, it will be like, I've done that 13.
Yes.
Oh, I built my
Proud.
house 16, so yeah. So we have reached the end
Oh.
of our
Such na.
Totoo.
And,
I'm so sad.
Sige, mag 3 hours pa tayo. Oh, did you guys enjoy?
Yeah.
Racer Kim, did we enjoy?
Yeah.
My favorite cutie members, Kim and Rayster.
Cutie members.
Na parang,
Ang cute ni Rayster.
Everything is about Horizon. No, really, anchors are that curious, you know? And, you know, when they're that
May
curious,
mga
I know you guys are
international
doing
fans
something
din kayo.
right.
Yung mga
And
Korean
sino daw pinakagwapo?
fans
Sino daw bias
sa
mo?
Anchors.
Sa Horizon. Ang sagot ko
Yun
sa
yung
kanila,
ano-
Jungkook lagi.
Curious ako.
Sabi lang na starstruck ba daw ako when I met Horizon. Sabi ko, starstruck ako. Wala pa akong bias. I'll set the record straight. Wala akong bias. Marcus is Marcus. Super kulit, pero super cute. Okay? And talented.
Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the compliments. Thank you for the compliments.
Pauso ba yun?
Siguro kung si Kyler nag-AI challenge, milyonaryo agad. Like walang ginagawa, no? Diba? May mga ibang K-pop idols or artists na pag naka-live sila sa TikTok, don't use your money on me. Di ba gumagawa?
Oo, tama.
Save it for your food. Ako, hoy, boss! Wait, 20 rows, bawal isa. No, di ba gano'n?
Swerte na talaga ngayon, no? Online lang, kikita ka talaga pag may mga fans ka. Pag maganda yung content mo, nag-enjoy sila, nakaka-relate sila,
your
yun.
vitamins. Okay,
Ganda na
last
talaga ngayon.
message
Marami ng way
who wants
of,
to- Rayster, last message.
mag-earn money. Cute talaga si Rayster. Kaso, siya yata yung
Super
pinakamahiyain.
love po namin kayo. Lagi niyo po tatandaan yan. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta niyo sa amin. Singer. Kahit nandun kami sa Korea, Thailand.
Tapusin mo nga kayo.
Of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta niyo sa amin. Super na-appreciate po namin kayo. At tandaan niyo palagi na dito na kami ng Rising House.
Kim.
Pinili talaga niya yung mga
Sobrang
favorite
napapasalamat
niya.
po ako kami sa inyo
Yung
kasi
cute daw na tahimik.
marami na kaming nagawa dahil sa suporta nyo. And lahat binuo nyo po ang mga pangarap na.
Yeah.
Oo,
Till we
tama.
shout, what's up Philippine Arena, okay?
Ah.
Yeah. And I know you guys can do it. All right, thank you guys.
Yun guys, natapos natin yung part 2 ng episode last time na napanood natin. Nakakatawa talaga and ang cute-cute talaga ni Rayster. No, siya yung pinakamayain. Tapos, maganda din yung segment kasi may mga binigyan ng chance yung mga anchors na mag-ask ng questions para masagot directly ng Horizon members. That's it guys. Kung meron pa kayong gustong ipanood sa akin ng mga Horizon videos, just leave in the comment section below. And thank you guys for always watching my videos and supporting my channel. See you again next time. Bye-bye.